Mr. Airsoft Pwnage. And today, with me as always, my Steyr Hog. If any of you are wondering when the M4A1 or the M16 will be put to action, just letting you know that my good friend Skaven went out and purchased the gearboxes for them. So they should be up and running soon. He also went ahead and purchased 2 M80 grenade launchers to attach onto the rails, so that should add more excitement. Well, let's get on with the show. Today's victim is something we all studied in school. What I'm talking about is history class, and not just any history. I'm talking about before Christ history. What I'm referring to is dinosaurs. We found this old fossil hanging out at a local thrift store. We thought we'd see what the airsoft could do to it. So let's get ready to rock, hawk, and load. I'm pretty sure this prehistoric piece of crap is done for. I'm Mr. Airsoft Pwnage. And remember, kids, when handling a firearm, always treat it with respect, and always keep the muzzle under control. Until next time.